कंक्लूजन, बायोएथिक्स, बायोसिक्योरिटी और बायोसेफ्टी के इस कोर्स को हम इस तरह कंक्लूड करते हैं कि नो डाउट there is a massive benefits of biotechnology and of their applications regarding whether these are health benefits or social benefits. There are also benefits related to the families which are genetically affected or which are free from mitochondrial disorders. Even अगर couple के पास कोई baby नहीं है, even then they have a wish to have a genetically related children. So through biotechnology now it is applicable for the parents to have the child which is genetically related to them. Now bioethically it is also proved that all novel technologies are safer for the public to use. They are acceptable for effective treatment. Let's take an example of gene therapy, which is now acceptable for the treatment of cystic fibrosis. And it is ethical for the parents as well to use the biotechnological techniques for their future benefit. लेकिन आज भी हमें एथिकली कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करने की ज़रूरत है. दिस इज़ रिगार्डिंग टू टेक्निक्स, वेदर इट इज़ प्रो न्यूक्लियर ट्रांसफ़र टेक्निक or it can be maternal spindle transfer technique. So whenever or in future, if ethical issues are raised regarding biotechnology or genetic engineering application, it is better to discuss them in a broader way so that better policies can be implemented and established. If we look at the biosecurity, then according to 21st century, the emergence of biosecurity is a critical policy area, and it is changing revolutionary, due to which the government approaches are also transforming. For example, let's look at the government approaches towards bioweapons, towards bioterrorism, which is now considered to be more dangerous than the other techniques such as atomic bombs. It is known as poor man's atomic bomb now. Then biosafety is actually the prevention of large-scale loss. It is possible only if we maintain the biological integrity, if we look at the ecologically and human health, then there is vast knowledge regarding the biosafety. Let's look at the simple example that if unicellular organism is made by the man, then it will affect the biomass as it will enter into the food chain. Genes can enter into the food chain and somehow it has entered into the food chain. So there is competition between the newly introduced species genetically and also between the wild species. There can be reproduction between the genetically modified organisms and the wild species. So here genes are entered into the food chain.